We're using this again for umaasa sa So we're inside na Taipei 101 and we're using this again for the observatory. So, makit kami ng second floor or second, oh yeah, tama, visitor access. Tapos, tinuro nila kami to go to the 5th floor para sa observatory ticket counter. Guys, daming tao. So we got it here. Dito sa left side ng malaking ticket counter. Doon siya. Doon. Yes.
时间，现在是对应战争派 indicating correct type 起点派。全体のモニターをご覧ください。それで現在の高さ、スピード、ダウンロードを表しています。两者モニターで発信エレベーターを進速のピックアップはしがないとする。
Haven't blow yet. Haven't blow it.
We have arrived at the observatory in peace. 展望台でございます。
Oh my gosh, that was so fast. Wow. That was so fast. Wow. Talk about sunset in a different way.
Can you go there? That's right.
Wild.
Video pala.
Hindi niya na daw kaya. Oh, there's Taipei Dome. There. This one. So yan, sobrang busy ng mga tao kasi may mga sites nila. Pang Instagram nila and also. So cool. Hoy, nangangatog. Ay, nangangatog. Tulad niyan. Iba-ibang areas. Tapos, 100 degrees. 360. 360 degrees. Ayan, may iba-ibang wings. Oh, yeah, babe, bago. Oh. Yung mga shops, souvenir shops. Ayan. Oh, plantito, plantita. Oh, businessman. Dapper Wonderland. So, sobrang dami. Mga cool sites. May zoo. Yan, dito wala masyado. So, pwede kang, nasa 89 tayo ngayon. So, pwede kang mag-take ng stairs to the 91st and the other ones. Like here. 89th floor. Dito tayo sa tuned. Ano tayo? Damper. Tuned mass damper.
The dampening as such should work with just the ropes. They will, but I mean, the idea of the damping should work with just the ropes.
Nakita niyo po ba si Jaden? Yan habang nag-earthquake ko. Oh my gosh. Solid. So basically, di ba etong malaking to, yan ang tawag niyan is a tuned mass damper. Since mataas yung building and usually it's to counter the energy of the earthquake. So, ano siya, effective counter force siya na para madampen basically yung energy force ng earthquake. So, iba-iba siya. May mga buildings na ang ano niya is, di ba, yung Petronas skyscraper. Unique siya kasi yung damper niya is yung bridge. Kumbaga, nagbabalance siya nung dalawang tao. To dissipate energy, the damper design works on bridge tower conjunctions. And then, yung unang-unang magkaroon is yung Citicorp Center, which is in New York. And then, ito, it shares the same damper design as Taipei 101. So, nakatago siya. So, the Trump World Tower, same siya ng damper ng Taipei 101. And then, the Yokohama Landmark Tower. So, sa Japan daw kasi talaga first na design ng damper. Since Japan is always affected by earthquakes. And now you know. Now we know.
电梯即将下楼 The elevator is going down. 계단이 내리ます. 내려갑니다. 您可以飞咽口水以减缓耳朵的不适。You may swallow to equalize your pressure. 미미가 이타쿠나무가 마음이 좀 내려서 이가 무난하시면 침을 삼키세요. 各位贵宾，谢谢参观。Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your visit. 오客様 아리가또 고자이마시다. 방문해 주셔서 감사합니다.
Wow! Thank you! Wait lang.
Thank you.
Thank you!
So yung screen itself, hindi lang siya yung bubble lang.
Guys, masarap. Sa Taipei ko pa nakakain yung creamiya, hindi sa Japan. Boom! Damn! So big! Dior, Cartier, Gucci, Tiffany & Co, Burberry.
Kutsara.
Favorite mo, Nico? Social. Blank paint in your area. Shh, ingay mo eh. Ingay. Lalamigin na lang ako.
没有人可以去等待，不知不觉地放开你，我们都没有那勇气 ，baby。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely。我们都没有错与对，找不到人。
don't know what this mall is called. We're going for GU and checking out Kura. Pero gusto namin mag-Rauher tonight, so hindi natin sure. So, bahala na. Let's see. Sana may pag-asa sa GU. Well, I can see 290. Not bad. Umaasa sa GU. Mahal kasi ng Uniqlo. Ito parang mas fashionable yung style. Hindi siya parang neutrals. Fashionable couple.
GU is a sister brand to Uniqlo that delivers the latest affordable fashion trends. We offer fashion clothing that connects and curates fashion styles.
Pero parang may gariba na may zipper.
International residents.
Hindi natin sure.
Okay yung grip.
190? Yes. Discounted. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Hindi ko na kayo nasama sa video. But, day 2. Unmarked safe. Getting his tax refund. Or not yet. I mean, kailangan ng document. So, pinababa kami sa B2 floor. So, Taiwan tax refund. Sometimes you can refund it from here. Ayan, natutuwa na siya sa hoodie niya. Mga fashion show. Wah!
Thank you!
Okay, bumalik yung 167 niya. Shopping ko na. Harap!
Kung may kanin to, okay.
As Pinoy. Kanin is life. Medyo expensive for like a night market. Rice! Nahanap ko yung rice. So we followed the smell. You follow your nose. Ha? You follow your nose. Kahit na wala si Jen. Sino yun? Where did he go?